Hey friends, if you wish to record a screen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar and open the sniping tool, and then you can click on this option here which says snipe but looks like a camcorder. So this is a recording symbol, and then you can click on this, and you can click on it again, and then you can press the Windows key, Shift key and R to start recording the screen. But now you have to create a shape. So I will create a shape here, and then I will click on start. Okay, and then it will request for access, and it will say 3 2 1, and it will start recording the screen. Okay, and to stop the recording I can simply click on the stop recording button here. It creates a preview of what has been recorded, and then you can also edit it in Clipchamp. Alternatively, you can click on the save button and choose a location to save it. If you do not choose that location, it will be selected into the videos folder, but I can choose the location as, let's say, desktop, and then I can click on save. Okay, this is how you can record the screen. And let us say if there has been a recording. So yes, we can see a recorded file here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.